Hi, everyone. Thanks for checking out your evening update to your daily forecast. I'm meteorologist Mike Witcher, and clearing skies overnight tonight. That's going to allow for some very cold temperatures Sunday morning, but a nice little rapid warm-up on Sunday with a batch of clouds during the afternoon. More sunshine, warmer weather on Monday, and then a chance for some strong thunderstorms possible as we get through the day on Wednesday. So your Sunday forecast at a glance, we start off in the 20s, but we'll climb back into the upper 50s to low 60s. A batch of clouds is going to race their way across the state, but not much precipitation with that. Maybe a sprinkle here or there, and that really should be about the extent of it. Then that clears on out, and we'll see increasing sunshine for our Monday, along with warmer temperatures. Look at these temps around the region. From the 40s and 50s that we had on Saturday, we'll climb into the 60s and 70s on into our Sunday, and even warmer weather expected on into our Monday, Tuesday, and even Wednesday. But remember, I said there's a chance for storms on Wednesday. The Storm Prediction Center has already issued a risk level for East Tennessee, the Tennessee Valley, I should say, Kentucky, down into Mississippi and Alabama. So about a 15% probability that we could see some thunderstorms. So it is possible to see some strong thunderstorms throughout the day on Wednesday. Rainfall amounts over the next 7 days are going to be pushing anywhere from 1 to pockets of 2 inches. And you can see our temperatures are going to continue to climb into the upper 60s to low 70s. Behind the cold front Wednesday, we'll fall back down into the 50s. Low temperatures, chilly on Sunday morning, warmer on Tuesday, Wednesday, and then low temperatures come back down into the 30s Thursday and Friday. Have a great rest of your night.